Um, Hi guys. Um, Today I'm gonna talk about the stigma of mental health issues or mental illness. I genuinely feel that this is one of the most important topic of nowadays to talk about. Like we should talk about. Uh, we all know that the last few days for us have not only been exceptionally unusual but very difficult, like amid this phase of COVID-19 in the whole world. People are far away from their loved ones. They are not being able to around their families. So these little things contribute to mental illness. And I'm also wanna tell you that why I am talking on this issue, because I find myself worth to talk about it. Because it is not just me, but every person in his or her life at some point of time face this depression. uh, if we talk about India, according to some economic forum, every year around 370 people in India commit suicide. And you can imagine of about an year. Okay. And the irony is that we yet commit ourselves to see it. Why? So guys, I will tell you what was depression for me. um Guys, when I was you know in this depression, I always felt like some strange feelings in my stomach, in my heart, in my mind. And I was not able to talk to someone. And uh, sometimes I myself didn't understand what I was experiencing. I was scared of sharing it someone, because I thought that what if he or she could not understand me, or there was always a feeling that not being able to communicate with others how I was feeling. And I was always being, I will not use this word again, that I uh, we are not being able to wake up. Like, we find comfort in sleeping. Waking up every day was you know is a struggle for a person going through depression. And um, you think that you are done with your life, you are done with your future, you are done with everything. And these were some of my experiences, what you feel when you are depressed. And guys, if you are feeling any of these, just talk talk about it. Just talk about it to your folks, to your loved ones, to your friends, or anyone who you trust. Because listen, it is okay to not to be okay. Yeah, it is okay to not to be okay. um uh, if I talk about my city, there is a law student of Jammu University, and a boy from Talab Tillo, they committed suicide. Sushant Singh committed suicide. But I will not use this word that they committed suicide. I will say that they were killed by suicide. They were not being able to communicate. And if they were, the another person maybe didn't understand them, and they felt like they had burden in themselves, and then they did this. But you know uh, yeah, it is okay to not to be okay, but it is not okay to talk to to not to talk to someone when you are not okay. So the family, if any of the parents are seeing this, then I will say them that you need to be a part of this process. Like, because when a depressed person hears from his or her loved one that, let me know how you feel, or let me know how can I help you, it gives him or her a lot of comfort, trust me. And and you guys don't hesitate to seek support when you are going through emotional turmoil, because you are not alone in this. Really, guys, you are not alone in this. You need to talk about it, because if you don't, then this thing will destroy you from inside. And guys, life is too short. We never know what's gonna happen next. So live every day as it is last for you. So thank you.